I have started 6 videos, and they have all been interrupted by a Lemony Snicket's Biscuity Biscuit Lou Jean Bell. And yes, I'm using her whole name because that's how bad it's been. And a baby, and a Christabel Pickles. So I'm going to see if I can do this quick. Because I don't know what day it is. If it's... well, anyway, I don't know what day it is, but Matilda is going to be here to, I hope, work on her collection on Friday. I'm looking forward to it. I always enjoy it when I get to see my Gypsy Witch. And we're really looking forward to this craft thing. I still have to get all the information. I have all the information somewhere up here in my brain, but it's kind of jumbled up and I don't really remember what it is. Anyway, I've been working. I'm kind of bummed. I was doing all these long, more double wrap type necklaces because people had said that I didn't have enough of them in my collection. And so I've been really working hard on those, but then we realized that the shorter ones, the other stuff I've got, is buried in one of the storage sheds in my, we have these containers that we take our craft stuff with. And, you know, then when we're not at a craft sale, then we put it in a container. It's not like we unpack it every time. Well, I can't get to those necklaces until we can get the storage shed cleaned out a little bit. So I've been making more of the clasp type necklaces too. But I think between Matilda and I will have a decent collection to offer, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be other really awesome stuff there. So 26th, 27th, and 28th, I think. I know that it's Sunday, Saturday, Friday, the end of April. And very much looking forward to it. And hope to see everybody there. Have a magical day. I made it through a whole video without a bunch of barking, screeching lunatics running through the house. That's magic.